Guys, I think you need this in your life. It's a 3-barrel. I know it looks kind of crazy, but it gives such a great undone, beachy, messy texture that I've been really loving lately. So I'm going to show you how to use it, and it's actually really easy once you get the concept down. So, okay, first, I like to start on the bottom. Let's do a little heat protection. Okay, so the tricky part is, this is upside down, which I like using it better this way. So you see how this part goes down, okay? So I'm gonna do it wrong so you can see what I mean. I'm just putting it up. Do you see how my hair's like resting against this bottom piece right here? Okay. It actually didn't show very well for you. I'll have to do another piece. But basically, I like to have this side on the outside because then you can more easily just like bend your hair so that you won't get a kink right here. Because if you do it upside down, especially up top, you'll for sure get a line. And then you'll be like, oh, it's ruined. So I'll try to do another one wrong so you can see what I mean. But I mean, it doesn't take, I'm sure it'll happen to you. And then you'll know what I mean. I'm doing this the wrong way so you can see. See that line? Yeah, you don't want that. You want to make sure each section is brushed before you curl it. This is my extension hair, so it does tend to curl a little easier. Okay, sometimes I pull them forward like this because it gives them just a little bit different texture on top of each other. So I'm not pressing it back like this. I'm still rounding it so I don't get a kink. I'm just moving it down one wave so that this wave can move to that wave. These front ones are always tricky because you don't want them to look too kinked, you know, too curled, or else it looks, I don't know, a little silly. So I usually just do like a tiny little kiss. This guy just pulls straight up. Now see, this is where you're gonna get a kink. don't just hold it straight like this. You have to turn it a little bit or else you're gonna get the line, okay? You're gonna turn it like that. Okay, okay. You got it. There's our one bump. Okay, one more time. Turning it back. Like to put just a little bit of wax spray. There's a bunch out there. This just gives us some nice separation so it doesn't get too fluffy, I guess. There we go. I'm gonna flip my head upside down. Okay, better. Cute. And you can wear this with like messy pony, bunch of different ways, but the texture is really nice. Okay. Good luck. Send me a message if you need some help. I'd love if you could subscribe, like my video, you know the deal, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.